In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your website fast with library templates in Webflow. To get started, open your Webflow dashboard. This is where all of your projects live. And it's the starting point for creating a new site quickly and efficiently. If your goal is to save time and avoid building everything from scratch, using a template from the Webflow library is one of the easiest ways to do it. Once you are on the dashboard, click New Project and then choose Site. This takes you into the project creation flow, where you can decide how you want to begin building your website. Since we want to speed up the process, the best option here is to start with a template rather than a blank canvas. Next, select Template. This opens the Webflow template library, where you can browse a wide range of ready-made website designs. The library is organized into helpful categories, so it's easier to find something that matches the kind of site you want to build. For example, you may see templates for different industries, e-commerce stores, portfolios, and other common website types. This is useful because it gives you a strong starting point that already includes layouts and sections designed for that purpose. As you browse, you will notice that both free and paid templates are available. Free templates are great if you want to get started quickly without additional cost, while paid templates often include more polished designs or more advanced layouts. Take a moment to preview and compare the options so you can choose one that fits your style and your website goals. Once you've selected the template you want, click Use this template. Webflow will then open that template in the Visual Webflow Designer. Before entering the designer, create a name for your project, so it's easy to recognize later in your dashboard. Choosing a clear project name can help keep things organized, especially if you plan to build multiple sites. After the template opens, you can begin customizing it right away. One of the biggest advantages of Webflow is that instead of writing code, you can visually drag and drop elements, replace images, and edit text directly on the page. This makes the design process much faster and more approachable, especially if you want professional results without manual coding. Just update the content to match your brand, refine the visuals, and adjust the layout as needed. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.